Good morning, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff Cornelius, and I work in the parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota. I want to take just a moment to talk to you about antifreeze. As we enter the winter season, fall and winter season here in Georgia, it is important to make sure that your antifreeze is serviced, that it is clean, that it is at the correct level, and that when you service your antifreeze, you use the correct type. Most Toyotas and Lexus models up until the 2003 model year would use the Toyota red coolant. This is a concentrate coolant, and from 2004 on up we switched to the Toyota Super Long Life antifreeze, which is a bright pink color. Almost every Toyota and Lexus model from 2004 until today uses the pink coolant. For you customers who own a Scion FRS, the Toyota 86 model, this model specifically uses the Toyota blue coolant, and we have that in stock as well. So we'd be happy to service your vehicle in our service department, or if you're a do-it-yourself customer, we sell these coolants over the counter by the gallon. Thank you and have a nice day.